Hi everyone, how are you? We have almost finished Unit 5 in Natural Science. We're doing a very good job because this unit is not very easy at all. The other day we were talking about changes, two different kinds of changes. Some that can be reversible. Reversible, that means that if you change a material, it can go back to the first form, to the same form. And irreversible changes, those that if you change the material, like if you break a glass, it can't go back to the initial form, okay? So you had to do these two experiments. I don't know if you have had time to do it. What happened? So if you get chocolate, a chocolate bar, and you heat it up with fire or in your microwave, it turns into a liquid, it melts. But what happens if you get that liquid chocolate and you put it back in the fridge or in the freezer? What happens? It becomes ice if you put it in a freezer, or it's a solid again. It becomes a solid again. So is it a reversible or an irreversible change? It's reversible. Solid, liquid, solid. What about the second one? The second one, you had to find a stick, any stick, popsicle stick or whatever, and you break it, put it back together. Put it back together. You try to put it back together. Can you do that? Because if you break a stick, that's an irreversible change. You can't put it back in the initial form, in the original form. I hope that you understood all this. I know these are new words. Sometimes they are very difficult, but don't worry. Don't worry. You will understand them in third grade, in fourth grade. You will study them again, and it will be easier for you. Turn the page. This project here on page 64, some of you already did it for arts last week, I think. So if you didn't do it and you want to do it, go ahead. You need a bottle, a plastic bottle. You need some paper for the flowers and a straw. This way we recycle. Well, it's reduce, reuse, recycle, the 3 R's. Very important that we use materials again and again so that we don't contaminate the planet so much. Now we're going to go to page 65. Here we have 4 different objects, and we have to tick or cross. Well, we're not going to cross, only tick the correct properties, and we're going to do it together, okay? Let's start. The first one is a table. Is it soft, a table or a desk? What material is it made of? Wood, right? Well, that one looks like a wood desk or maybe metal. Is it soft? Soft? No, so we don't tick. Is it hard? Hard? Yes, tick. Is it flexible? Can you get the table and bend it like this? No, you can't, so we don't tick. Is it rigid? If you do like this on the table, you can't bend it, right? So is it rigid? Yes, tick. Transparent? Can you look through the table? No. Opaque? Opaque, that means that you can't see through the table? Yes. So the table is hard, it's rigid, and it's opaque. Number 2, the bottle, plastic bottle or glass bottle. Let's say it's a plastic bottle. Is it soft? Can we press with our fingers and it changes? Yes, tick. Is it hard? If it's plastic, normally it's not that hard. If it's glass, yes. So no. Is it flexible? Can you get a plastic bottle and do like this? Yes, tick. Is it rigid? A plastic bottle? No. Is it transparent? If you put the bottle like this in front of your eyes, can you see through it? Yes, tick. Is it opaque? No. Opaque means you can't see anything through it? No. So the bottle is soft, flexible, transparent. The third one is, I think it's wool, right? Wool from a sheep. All right, so is it soft? Wool is soft? Yes, tick. Is it hard? No. Is it flexible? Can you is it your fingers and your hands? Yes, tick. Is it rigid? Wool is rigid? No. Is it transparent? Can I see through it? No. Is it opaque? You can't see through it? Yes. So wool is soft, flexible, opaque. And the last one, that is like a brick. It's materials, hard materials that we use for our houses, to build a house. Is it soft? Soft? Bing, bing, bing. No. Hard? Yes. Tick. Flexible? No. Rigid? Yes. Transparent? No. Opaque? Yes. So the answers are hard, rigid, opaque. Good. Now we're going to do exercise 2. We have to listen and tick the box. Are you ready? What is the cup made of? And number 2, how is Mark protected from the rain? Ready? Go.
Listen and tick the box.
Pointers.
1. What is the cup made of? Elsie, be careful with the coffee.
Is it the plastic cup?
No, the glass cup.
Okay.
So, be careful with the cup, with the coffee. And the girl says, is it a plastic cup? No, it's glass. So A, B, or C? B. A is plastic, C is paper. So the correct answer is B. Tick. And number 2.
2. How is Mark protected from the rain?
Annie, it's raining. Oh no. Have you got an umbrella? I don't like umbrellas, but I am wearing my raincoat. Okay, I'll wear the yellow rain hat.
Okay, so how is Mark protected from the rain? Is he using an umbrella? No, he doesn't like umbrellas. Is he using a yellow hat? No, that's the other girl. I think it's a girl speaking. Is he using a yellow raincoat? Yes. B, tick. Let's listen to our scientist. This is Gustave Eiffel. Here.
I am Gustave Eiffel.
Eiffel.
I was an engineer. I built the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
So I'm saying Eiffel and it's Eiffel. So Gustave Eiffel, it was an engineer. I built the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Beautiful tower. If you go to Paris, you have to visit the Eiffel Tower. And we have a chance. Go.
Chant. Irreversible.
Irreversible change. So you can see the words.
Irreversible change, it will never be the same. Reversible change, it can be reversed again. Cooking eggs, irreversible. Freezing water, reversible. Baking a cake, irreversible. Melting chocolate, reversible. Irreversible change, it will never be the same. Reversible change, it can be reversed again.
If you want to sing it again, stop my video, go back and sing again. You have the words, so you can do karaoke version. Good. So this is the last page of the unit, but we still have to remember that at the back of the book we have this let's review page. I want you to do that for Friday, all right? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, 1, 2 exercises on page 86 and 1, 2 exercises on page 87. It's all about materials and their properties, so I hope you like it. Here, exercise 1, we have to listen and color. So, I'm going to do that now, all right? Open your book on page 87 and find some crayons. I'm going to wait for you, okay? Find some crayons or stop my video. What room is this? What room? It's a chicken. What? A chicken? No, a kitchen. Ay. Don't say chicken, it's a kitchen. Ready to listen and go.
Listen and colour and write.
And write. Pencil ready.
1.
1.
You see the bottle on the table?
Which bottle? The plastic bottle or the glass bottle?
The plastic bottle. Colour it blue, please.
Okay.
All right, so do you see the bottle on the table? And they say the plastic bottle or the glass bottle? And the correct one is the plastic bottle. Color it blue. That one. Number 2, go.
2. Now I'd like you to colour the plant. Can you see it?
Yes, it's near the window.
That's right. Colour it green and brown.
So, the plant near the window. And you have to use 2 different colors. Green and brown. Correct, the plant. 3.
3. I'd like you to colour the spoon.
Which one? The one made of metal?
No, not that one. It's the one made of wood. Can you see it?
Yes, it's hanging under the clock.
Excellent. Colour it brown, please.
So, I want you to color the spoon. And there are 2 different materials, the one made of metal or the one made of wood. You have to color the one made of wood. And where is it? It's hanging on the wall under the clock. What color? Brown. Well done. It's there. And the last one.
Finally, I'd like you to write on the notepad on the fridge. Can you see it?
Yes.
Please write water.
Okay. Water. Buy water.
So the last thing you have to do is, do you see the notepad? Notepad is a paper or a magnet or something where you write notes on the fridge and you have to write the word water. How do we spell the word water? Ready? W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay, just finish the other 3 exercises and we are done. On Monday, we will start Unit 6 and I will correct these exercises for Monday. Okay, have a great week and weekend. Bye-bye. Mwah.